Okay, so what's up guys? Just home there from school and stuff. But basically came home to my parts being arrived. I ordered them a wee while ago. This is part of my total Sandstorm build. And I've ordered these forks. Them a headset and bars, that's just came so far, and then I'm going to order even more. But basically, these are Harrow Clique forks. Light as hell. And I got them in chrome. These are the lightest forks I've ever felt. And they're top quality and stuff, that's why I ordered them. I'll actually get them out of the packaging right now. This is the first time I've had them out. Proper thin dropouts for lightweight. They literally feel like so light. Unreal. Came off a top cap, pretty cool. I'll just screw it all out for you. I don't even want to get my fingerprints over it. That's top cap there. That's pretty lightweight as well. But yeah, that's just to get them over. Drilled out there, as in a little bit of lightweight. Also the bearing race already on it, integrated and stuff. So they're like the best forks I could find. So I ordered them. Pretty dear, but yeah, worth it because like I want to buy all really good stuff for this year. So my total's going to be all great stuff, so we've got these here. They are 165mm steerer tube. Also guys, I'm going to get out my other stuff in 1 minute, so going to move on to that right now. Okay guys, just open this here box up with this knife. These are also chrome, by the way. They are, I'll show you them in a minute. I'm actually going to tell you when I get them out. Well, I should just pull it off. There guys, I've got this open. This will take a minute, it's alright. There we go, that's that side. Yep. This side. There we go. Alright, let's see the bad boy. Yo! Oh my god. I actually love the stuff I have ordered. Okay. Sorry about this here guys. These are, oh my god, feel weird them. They're, holy shit. Right, these are Mark Webb Signature GS bars, Gale Shed, in chrome. 8.65 rise. Unbelievable. Oh, these are so nice. Look at the chrome. By the way guys, at the end, I'm going to show you all like cool photos of it and stuff, just show off the parts. Hashtag GS there, Gale Shed. Oh, class. I'm actually so happy with these. Same again with Total. I want to order great parts for my Total Sandstorm frame, so got Total GS bars. Worth it so it is, because they feel amazing and they look good and they're the lightest everything I've felt, lightest bars I've felt, and so are my forks. So it's all worth the price. I don't like I just want to get it built now. You know? I also have one more thing just to put it together. Is the got so many boxes around here. I don't even know where I sat tonight. Also, this is the Snafu integrated headset. So let me find the knife and then I'll get back. Okay guys, so in this here is a Snafu integrated headset. Yeah. Oh nice. Got it in red. It looks so good. It's gonna go with my bike. Yeah, I want to get good parts. Snafu, good part again, as you all know. It's got a camera, Corey Burglar, everyone, all rides for them. Logan Martin, top riders. So that's Snafu, Total GS bars, and Harrow Clique forks. And this is Snafu integrated headset, one of the really good ones. So yeah, I'll close up a bit. I'm going to show you right now all the parts laid out nicely. So yeah, check it out.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep.